Hello everyone, how are you? Teacher Tim here, I'm doing good. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about subtracting from 10 first. I know I have now been teaching you many different methods, but this is going to be the last method of subtracting in different kinds of ways. So in this way, we are going to subtract from the 10 first. Remember, yesterday's video, I was talking about subtracting from the ones first. So in this video, we're going to subtract from the 10s first, the 10 block. Okay? So if you look on my right here we have an equation we need to solve. So let's read. Nick has 15 basketballs. Okay, basketballs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 in this batch. Here's 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that is correct. He has 15 basketballs. And then he gives 7 of them to his friends. So he's a very generous boy. He gives 7 basketballs to his friends. So he gives 7 to his friends. Okay? Now, question. How many basketballs does he have left? How many does he have left? 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. So let's start by regroup the 15 balls. Okay? So regroup means 15 is the same equals 10 plus 5. So we have already done that. Here we have 10 and then 5. And then we subtract 7 from 10. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. So we have 10 here. Now we are focusing on this, not on this part. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. So these ones we take away. These we give to friends. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 basketballs left in the 10 group. Okay? So then we move these down here. 3 left. And then these ones, the 5, we have not touched. So we can move them down as well. And then we add a plus. So add together 3, these 3, plus and 5. Plus 5. Because these we have not touched. We just move them down. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. So the answer is he has 8 basketballs left. Because 15 minus 7 equals 8. Okay? When you do subtraction, you can use any of these methods unless they tell you to use a specific method. So you can subtract it from 10 first, or you can subtract from the ones first. And it's completely up to you, unless in the problem, in the equation, they tell you to start with something. If they do not tell you anything, if it's just an equation like this, 15 minus 7, then it is up to you how you want to think, how you want to solve the problem. Okay? But if they are telling you to subtract from 10 first, then you need to do that. If they're telling you to subtract from the ones first, then you need to do that. I have not been teaching you, I don't know how many methods, 4 or 5 different subtracting methods. So they're all good. The answer will be the same no matter what method you use. It's just different ways of thinking to get to that to that answer. Okay? So now let's look at, I have another example on my left here. Okay, so now we have finished this one. So Nick has 15 basketballs, he gives 7 of them to his friends. How many basketballs does he have left? He has 8 basketballs left. That is the answer. Okay? Alright, so let's look at my equation, the problem on my left. Okay, and here we have May, that's a woman. She bakes 13 pies. 6 of them, of the pies, are apple pies. The rest are blueberry pies. Say the word with me. Blueberry. Blueberry. I do not want to hear. I actually love this word. It's so cute. Many times they say boobeli, boobeli. It's very cute to hear that the child say, even adults sometimes. บางทีผู้ใหญ่พูดเหมือนกันไม่ใช่นักเรียนเด็กอันเดียวผู้ใหญ่ด้วย blueberry it is pronounced blueberry or blueberries plural blueberries but I love the Thai pronunciation bubeli bubeli okay I'm sorry okay so question how many blueberry pies are there? So here I have not written regroup, but let's start to do the same method here. Let's start with regrouping. So 13 pies equals 10 plus 3. Okay? And then we're going to deduct 6 pies. So let's start with a 10 because that's what today's video clip is about. Subtracting from 10 first. So here we have 10, here we have 3. 3 ones, 1 10. Oops, sorry. Okay, so 1 tenth, 3 ones. So we're going to start to deduct from the tenths. So we deduct 6. 10 minus 6. So we have 10 here, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have deducted 6. And then we have, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have 4 left. So these 4 we move down. Here we have 4. And these 3, the ones here, we did not do anything with. So we move them down as well. So then we have, how many do we have left? From the tens, we have 4 left. And from the ones, we have 3 left. So we add them together. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, so that means that 13 minus 6 equals 7. Good. And then question, how many blueberry pies are there? Answer, there are 7 blueberry pies. Okay, I hope you understand. If there are any questions, please write and ask me. Alright, so this is how you solve equations when you subtract from the 10 first. Sometimes it's easier to start to subtract from the tens. Sometimes it's easier to start with the ones. But that is up to each and every one. If they don't specify how they want you to solve it, then it's up to you. If it would just be 13 minus 6, nothing else, then you solve it however you want. I mean, if you want to counting up, you can do that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7. Same, 7. So there are many different ways you can get to the answer. Okay? Good. So now we have some homework in the book. So I want you to do, let's see, page 227 at the bottom, do and learn, 228 and 229. So you have the whole weekend to do those 3 pages, 227, 228 and 229. So, homework here. Homework 227 to 220, not 8, 29. Okay, so that is the homework. Homework pages 227 to 229. At the top of page 227, I already did this example for you. So you need to do the do and learn at the bottom of page 227. And then all the exercises on 228 and 229. They are quite easy to do, so there is no need for me to explain what to do with them. Alright? And that is all for this video clip. Take care, and I will see you in the next clip. Bye bye.